Hello my friends, today we'll tell you a story about toys. I have a lot of different toys and I love to play with them very much. And I can do this all day long. And what about you? Do you like to play with your toys? I know that world is full of gadgets nowadays. We have phones and tabs and all. But I will tell you one secret. It is very important to play with toys. When you play, your body gets stronger. Your brain gets smarter and you learn lots of new skills as well. I really love to play with my toys very much. But you have to collect your toys after all. Otherwise, it is a big mess over there. And I really don't like to clean it up. But if I don't, I might step on it and hurt myself. And sometimes I break my favorite toy as well.
Hey Milky, you'd better collect your toys.
Yes, Mommy. Hey friends, will you help me to name all my toys? I'm so oblivious sometimes. Is this a helicopter? No, this is the helicopter. And this is the plush bear. Oh, and this is the ball, right? No, wait, this is the ball. This was a doll, right? And this is the drum. No, wait, this is the drum. And that was a train. Is this the car? Yeah, for sure. No, stop! This is the car and this is the truck. Thank you so much for your help, my friends. Now we can move on.
But now it's time to collect toys, Milky, and I will help you. We did it so fast and it wasn't that bad. But now it is clean and safe, so you can play again. I love you very much, my sweetest baby, and will always be there to help.
I love you too, Mommy.
Would you like us to help you, kids? Then like this video and write down in comments what troubles you.
And subscribe to my channel not to miss your personal video. And if you like to read books, find me on Amazon. The link is in description below.